This 2017 Forest River Cherokee 304BS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 9 inches in length and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Cherokee 304BS is 7,914 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.